Hi everybody, out at the field today doing a bit more prop testing here with the Gemfan Hurricane 51499 tri-blade prop. This time on one of my prop and slot park jets, my RC Powers SU30 version 4. So far the results have been pretty impressive here, so we're just going to give her a bit of a thrash. Here we go. So I'd already tested the Dull Prop Cyclone 5050 in this plane with the same motor, speed controller, and I think that this prop top end with a bit more length and a bit more pitch, well, it's actually, I guess the pitch is actually slightly less, 0.1 of an inch, I guess, or 0.01 of an inch. Sorry for my extremely bad math while I'm trying to fly. But yeah, it is very close to the 6x4 EPC gas that I normally run. So I'm just going to take it over here to the right and try and wind it out where I don't run it into the sun. Yeah, it seems to wind out a bit better in this plane. Now, I doubt it has any impact. I'm actually spinning one of the sort of pusher props, because you get 4 of them in a package. You know, two that you know, they spin 2 different directions. So looking at the back of the plane, this prop is actually spinning counterclockwise. Oh yeah, baby! Little prop wash in the face to wake you up first thing in the morning. Nice. So for amp draw and stuff like that, this prop is actually very similar to the Dull Prop 5050. About the same stiffness, but I do notice, you know, that extra little bit of prop length seems to be helping a little bit in the speed. Again, you know, the acceleration is a bit softer with the 3-blade prop compared to the 2-blade prop, but yeah, gobs and gobs of vertical thrust there. I'd be up to where Jim Kirk and the Starship Enterprise are before too long. Rock and roll. Oh, so I actually did the other day, a couple of days ago, I did a kind of a prop showdown, or a side-by-side comparison on my tail mount FRC Foamies F18 with the Dull Prop 5050, this Gemfan Hurricane 51499, and the HQ 5151 by 3 V1S prop. And I found some interesting differences, which I'll link down below to the thread I keep on the RC Powers forum, you know, about all the quad and motor and speed controller testing that I play around with. But it was actually the V1S prop, the HQ prop, still, I mean, we're talking marginal differences here, still a bit faster, but it's a flexible, it's a more flexible prop. And I could tell as it, especially as it changed speed, you know, slowing down or speeding up, there was some kind of racket there that leads me to believe that it's, you know, quite a bit less efficient than the Dull Prop 5050 and this Gemfan Hurricane prop. I'm doing my best to hit myself here today. So let's wind her out one more time. So running the RC InPower GTS 2306 version 2 2750 kV motor, Hobbywing Platinum Pro 40 amp speed controller with the standard custom settings, 26.25 degrees on the timing, 8 kilohertz pulse width modulation frequency. All right, let's bring her in and land here. Oh, just in time, there's my timer. And today I'm just running on 3S, but I think I'm going to give her, after seeing this, I didn't test it on 4S on my FRC Foamies F18, but next time out I might give her a rip on 4S and see how it goes. So yeah, I wanted to do this because currently on my F18 I can only I'm kind of locked into using the props that spin this way. So I thought, well, might as well be using these other props. So I was actually very impressed with that. So I think I'll keep running that. Also in the thread, I kind of do this to myself, and I go in. I'm like a crow. I see all these shiny things. So I was only going to be testing probably 2 or 3 more 5-inch tri-blade props, but I went a bit nuts and used up some of my points from Banggood. I've got a bunch of other props, and I've also found, I think it's a 5 by 5.5 inch diameter prop that I might try. But I've got some props coming. I just ordered them from Banggood a couple of days ago. A Gemfan Hurricane 50-55, a T-motor prop of some kind, and some other company that I didn't recognize. But anyway, please, if you're interested, go check out the link at the RC Powers forum, where I keep all this info and all my, a lot of the numbers and my post-light impressions on the test data. But yeah, that seemed to work really well. I think better performance in this plane, in a prop and slot plane, than the Doll Prop Cyclone 50-50. Not as much difference maybe on the tail mount F18, but the stiffer props definitely are making a difference, as you expect that they would. The Doll Prop, or the HQ prop, even though it, like I said, at top end it does provide a bit more speed, the rest of the envelope, it doesn't seem to be quite as sharp in the acceleration and effectiveness and efficiency. So there we go, folks. Thanks very much for watching. I got some sure sign of spring here down off the end of my finger. We got some American robin redbreasts here, which is a good sign of spring here where I live in Canada. So they're actually pretty persistent. I can just about run into them before they'll move. I don't know if they wouldn't have babies to feed yet, but anyway, enough of that. Thanks for watching. Blue skies, calm winds to everyone. Park jet noise, the other sound of freedom, baby. Take care.